Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to a very cold Tuesday, November 12th here at Perry Elementary. A couple of morning announcements for today. We do have an early dismissal scheduled for tomorrow. So at 1:05 we have early dismissal. Boys and girls, if you can remind your parents and family members that you need to be picked up tomorrow at 1:05. And with the cold that we've had for the rest of this week, it's really important to make sure that you dress appropriately for school. So make sure you bring those hats, gloves, winter coats, boots. So make sure that you dress warm when coming to school. We don't want anyone to get anything like frostbite or anybody to get really cold where they don't feel healthy. So let's make sure we maintain a good temperature. Birthday list. Here's our birthdays. For today, we have Tyson Chapman. Happy birthday, Tyson. And Amelia Estes. I hope both of you have a great day. Our lunch choices for today are mac and cheese, chicken sandwich, or ham and cheese sandwich. And our paws are brought to you by our second grade students in Mrs. Rambo's class who are wrapping up things with veterans and wanted to give thanks one more time.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause expectations. The boys and girls here from second grade thought it would be good to do for veterans one more day, just because we're on Veterans Day today, even though today, Tuesday, November 12th, is actually the day after, but they wanted to show their appreciation for veterans too.
Thank you, veterans, for being strong. Thank you for being strong, veterans. If you ever see us, say hi. Thank you, veterans, for saving our country.
Thank you guys very much.
Thank you. Much appreciated on that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much. And let's everyone have a great day. Stay warm today. And make sure that you dress appropriately when coming and leaving school today.